Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybees YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. We've had this 10,000 subscriber contest going on for a while. Last night we reached over 10,000. I got like 10,004 when I got up this morning. I appreciate all you guys subscribers. I appreciate you watching all my videos. I never thought this channel got as big as it has. It's been fun. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't put the videos out. But it's time to pick a winner on this contest, and I'll put my email in the description, and the winner can contact me, get in touch with me, and give me all the information I need to get the queen out. Like again, I appreciate all you guys watching all the videos. I'm going to fumble through this. I haven't been able to figure out how to get my webcam back up when I click on things, so this is going to go away. But it was on the Mississippi cutout queen giveaway. And we'll let YouTube or TubeBuddy pick a winner. Right here, we'll just come down here and pick a winner. And the rules was in the contest, make a comment with the word queen in it. And we'll go here, pick a winner. Roger Strach. I hope I pronounced the name right. Like I say, just get in contact with me, and we'll get you a queen out. I appreciate everybody participating, and that's all I can say is thanks. You guys have a great day.